In this tutorial, we are going to learn about finding a substring in a string. Sometimes it is useful to check if a smaller string is present in a string. This can be done using the Indexof method. Actually, this Indexof method returns the index of the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Let me explain you with a simple example. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask where are they. So here I'm going to say where are they, where did they go. This is a whole string, right? So here now I'm going to use the method name as Indexof. So what is the use of this Indexof? It will return the index of the first occurrence of a substring in a string. So let me do this. So str.indexof as a method. So this Indexof method, so let me pass one of these strings, any string. Let me pass day. The occurrence of the day is 2 times, right? So let me just pass day. So when I save and run, is going to return the index of the first occurrence. Though I have 2 days, like there is a one here, there is another one here. But when you use the Indexof as a method, is going to return the first occurrence of a substring in a string. So the occurrence of the first day is 10. Why? Because there is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first occurrence is 10. No wonder that it is displaying 10 as a result. So if you want to use Indexof, is going to display the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Then there is another property called lastIndexof. So instead of Indexof, when you use lastIndexof, let me save and run, you will see is going to give us 26. So this lastIndexof is opposite to the Indexof method, meaning it returns the last occurrence of a substring in a string. So instead of giving the first string occurrence, is going to give us the last string occurrence in the entire string. No wonder that it's displaying 26. This 26 is nothing but the array index of this string they in this the entire string. I hope you understood the difference between the Indexof and the lastIndexof. lastIndexof is going to give you the last occurrence of the string in the entire string. Indexof is going to give the first occurrence of the string in the entire string. In case, let's say in this particular string, where are they, where did they go? So in case if I pass something else, let's say I'm going to pass my name here. So this particular string is not part of the original string. In this case, what is going to happen? When I save, is going to return -1. So if you pass the value, if that value is not part of the original string, is going to return -1. It applies to both method. It can be either lastIndexof or Indexof method. Even if I use Indexof method instead of lastIndexof, is still going to return -1 because this string is not part of the original string here. So if you pass a string which are not part of the original string, you can use either Indexof or lastIndexof method, is going to return -1, meaning that string is not found in the actual string.